I may not be what the Lord wants me to be. It's rough living down here in this world of sin. But I know He's sitting high and He's looking low. He got His arms wide open, telling all of His children to come on in. And I ask the Lord, take me, Lord, Lord. Take me, Master, please, please, my Lord. Take me, my Lord. Oh, Lord, let me work for You. Sometimes I'm viewed, so many times I'm scorned. In this walk of life I'm talked about just as sure as I'm born. Sometimes my pathway, it gets so dark as night, but I know I can call Jesus and He'll show me the light. I ask the Lord, take me, Lord, Lord, Lord. I'm one of Your children, yes I am, just trying to do Your will, my Lord. Take me, Lord, Lord, please. Ooh, Lord, let me work for You. I may not be a true-born Christian, y'all, but I'm trying to live in a Christian way. I believe if I keep working hard on this journey, I may be able to make heaven my home someday. I ask the Lord, take me, Lord, Lord. Sometimes I'm crying all night long, but that's all right, my Lord. If You take me, Lord, Lord, please. Oh, Lord. Sometimes call me Lord, Lord, please, Jesus. Sometimes crying to the Lord, Lord, please, Master. Sometimes call Him in a loud voice now, please. Lord, let me work for You.